If you want to publish multiple articles simultaneously or publish one article to many platforms, this functionality will help increase efficiency. So here inside of Studio, you see that I have a number of digital articles, and I can select multiple articles by either holding down the Shift or Command key, depending on which type of articles you want to select. Once you have your articles selected, you can then right-click on them and select the Publish option. From here, you will now have a new pop-up box that will appear that allows you to pick and choose the different channel endpoints that you might want to push an article to. These channel endpoints are configured inside of Studio Server, and we have some helpful Help Center articles that will walk you through how to set up all of these different endpoints. Also, if you want to send the article to yourself because you want to see exactly what the package is sending, you have the option to send the article via email. As soon as you are happy with your selection of channel endpoints, you can select Publish, and the articles will then be packaged and sent out to each of those different endpoints. If you're working within one specific article, let's say that I'm working on this feature story here, and I want to publish this article, I select Publish in the top right-hand corner, and that will give me the option to once again pick the channels that this article will be sent to. By default, this will automatically remember your preferences. So the last time I sent the article, it was to an Apple News and a Twixel platform. When it opened up again, those same preferences were saved. If I want to change, and let's say I just want to publish this article to Apple News, I could select my different endpoint here and click Publish. This new functionality will create a lot of efficiencies for anyone publishing digital articles in the Studio environment. We look forward to you using it and experimenting on your own. Thanks so much.